Software developers design, build, and maintain computer programs and applications. They might create apps for smartphones, websites, or systems used in schools, hospitals, or businesses. Software developers usually work in teams, solving problems and writing code in languages like Python and Java. They often test their code to make sure it works properly and update software to fix bugs or add new features. It's a creative and logical job that can be done in an office or remotely from home. The average yearly salary for a software developer is around £35,000 to £50,000, depending on experience, location, and the type of company. Junior developers who are just starting out might earn about £25,000 to £30,000 a year, while experienced or senior developers can earn over £60,000. Developers working in London or for big tech companies may be paid even more. Some developers also earn bonuses or extra income by working on freelance projects. Many people take a university degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related subject in order to become a software developer. However, it's also possible to enter the job through an apprenticeship or by learning skills online and building a portfolio of projects. Employers often look for people who can code well, solve problems, and work as part of a team. Some software developers also gain industry certifications to show their skills in specific programming tools or systems.